The poor wait for opportunities. The wealthy position themselves so opportunities have no choice but to find them.
I know you've been seeing these AI guru videos all over Instagram. Guys talking about discipline, success, mindset, and pulling millions of views. Meanwhile, your content? Dry as fuck. Yeah, that's the Gap MF. And the craziest part? These videos are easy as fucking hell to make. New channels are popping up every single day, using this exact format and growing fast without showing their face. So if you're still not doing this, you're just missing out. Fucking simple. But chill, I've got you. I'm going to show you exactly how to create these AI guru videos step by step. No complicated shit, no paid tools, so lock the fuck in. First, open ChatGPT. Go to Explore GPTs and search for Guru Shortmaker. Click it, start the chat. Now hit Create Your Guru. And don't just type random shit here, MF. This part actually matters. Make it feel real. For example, Middle Eastern, male, 60 to 65, rich, elite, discipline-focused. Now run it. ChatGPT will generate a master prompt, variations, and video prompts. That's your whole fucking system right there. Now copy the master prompt. Go to Flow AI and click on Create Image. Set your ratio, number of outputs, paste the prompt, and generate. Boom, you'll get multiple images. Pick the one that actually looks powerful, not the first garbage one like most people do, MF. Now go to Create Video in Flow AI. Select Frames to Video. Set your ratio again. Upload your image as frame 1. Now go back, copy the first video prompt, paste it here, and hit generate. Give it a few seconds, and yeah, your video is done. Look at it.
Built by chasing money. It is built by becoming the man money respects. Control your habits, and the world will compete to reward you.
Clean, realistic, engaging. This is exactly why these videos blow up. People don't even realize it's AI. That's the crazy part. Download it, use it. Repeat the same process with different characters, different messages. That's how these pages are scaling like crazy. So yeah, that's it. Simple system, no excuses. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and tell me what you want next. Now go do something with it, MF.